In the fast-paced world of short-form content, the hook is the difference between a viral hit and a digital ghost town. HookedAI enters the market as a specialized solution designed to solve the retention problem for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. However, if you are reading this, you likely already know what the base software does. You are here because the HookedAI OTO funnel is extensive, and you need to know which upgrades are essential power-ups and which are just filler. At its core, HookedAI is an AI-driven video creation platform that automates the process of generating high-engagement hook segments, those first 3 seconds that stop the scroll. By leveraging data-driven templates and AI scripts, it allows users to churn out content that adheres to the current algorithms of major social platforms. Most marketers fail not because they lack a tool, but because they hit feature ceilings. The HookedAI OTO structure is designed to remove those ceilings. Understanding the HookedAI OTO links and the sequential upgrades is vital because the front-end FE version is often capped by credits or rendering speeds. If you are running a serious agency or a high-volume affiliate niche, the HookedAI OTOs are where the actual ROI, return on investment, is generated. The front-end offer usually provides the engine. You get access to the dashboard, a set number of AI hook templates, and the ability to export videos for personal or client use. Core function, AI hook script generator and video merger. Target, beginners or hobbyists testing the waters of short-form video. OTO1, HookedAI Pro Unlimited. The HookedAI Pro Unlimited OTO is the freedom upgrade. It removes the monthly rendering caps and credit restrictions found in the FE. Key features: unlimited video exports, priority rendering, and access to the full library of 500+ premium hook templates. Rival comparison: compared to tools like InVideo or Pictory, which charge high monthly subscriptions for unlimited exports, a $67 one-time fee for HookedAI Pro is a massive cost saver for high-volume creators. Verdict: essential for anyone posting more than 3 times a week. OTO2, Traffic Hijacker Suite. This HookedAI OTO shifts the focus from content creation to lead conversion. It includes automated comment replying and DM automation tools. Key features: integration with Instagram and TikTok APIs to auto-reply to comments with your affiliate links. Rival comparison: this functions similarly to ManyChat, but is integrated directly into your video workflow. Verdict: best for affiliate marketers who don't want to manually monitor every post for "how do I buy this?" comments. OTO3, Video Studio Pro. If the FE is for hooks, Video Studio Pro is for full stories. This upgrade expands the editor into a multi-track timeline system. Key features: advanced transitions, green screen removal, and longer video duration support, up to 10 minutes. Rival comparison moves the software from a simple app toward a web-based Premiere Pro-like experience. Verdict: recommended for YouTube creators who need to make long-form content alongside their shorts. OTO4, Music and Audio Suite. Sound is 50% of the video experience. This HookedAI OTO provides an AI-powered music generator that creates royalty-free tracks based on the mood of your video. Key features: AI voiceovers, text-to-speech, with emotional inflection and a library of 2000+ trending audio clips. Rival comparison: similar to Epidemic Sound or 11 Labs functionality, but bundled inside the suite. Verdict: skip if you already have a subscription to a dedicated AI voice tool, buy if you want an all-in-one dashboard. OTO5, Agency Edition. This is the business-in-a-box upgrade. It allows you to create sub-accounts for your team or clients. Key features: client management dashboard, done-for-you agency website, and cold outreach email templates for selling video services. Rival comparison: most SaaS platforms charge an extra $20 to $50 per month for team seats. Getting this for a $37 one-time fee is a steal. Verdict: mandatory for freelancers and agency owners. Overall, an amazing tool for achieving video marketing success. Review link in the description below.